If you think a dish needs onion and garlic to taste amazing, this recipe might just change your mind. Today we are making Kakharu Buta Dali Tarkari, a simple yet incredibly flavorful Odia curry made with pumpkin and Chana Dal. Here 1 cup of Chana Dal washed and soaked in 3 cups of water for 5 to 6 hours. Transfer the dal to a pressure cooker and add a little salt, drizzle some mustard oil and cover the lid. Pressure cook the dal on medium heat for 4 whistles. Turn off the heat and let the pressure settle down on its own. Here we have taken 250 grams of pumpkin and 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes, retaining the skin. Adding potatoes actually enhances the flavor of this curry. Here we have taken 1 inch ginger and 2 to 3 green chillies. Now we will make a fresh paste of ginger and green chillies. Ginger green chillies paste is ready. Now let's start making Kakharu Buta Dali Tarkari. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chillies and 1 teaspoon of Panch Phoron or Pancha Phutana. Fry the spices until the chilies turn brown in color. Add chopped tomatoes followed by the prepared ginger and green chilli paste. Saute for few seconds until the raw smell of the spices are gone. Now add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Fry all the masalas together for few seconds and then cover it with a lid. Cook for few minutes till tomatoes turn soft. As the masala cooks, you will notice the oil is beginning to separate from the masala. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and sugar will actually give a very nice color to the curry and also will balance the other flavors. Now add the pumpkin and potato cubes. Toss this gently with the masala and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Cover and cook for some time until the vegetables are at least 50% cooked. Next add the cooked chana dal and combine everything well. Cover once again and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Open the lid and at this stage the vegetables are almost 90% cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and mix it gently with the curry. Cover again and cook for another 10 minutes. Finally, to finish, add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of ghee and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a gentle stir and allow it to simmer for just 2 minutes. Switch off the gas, and with that, Kakharu Buta Dali Tarkari is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice, roti or puri. And for a truly indulgent experience, pair it with freshly fried puris. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.